Hello there. We are here at Arenas Del Mar, and this is our building. We're in building 7, and it's pretty awesome. Those round rooms are the bathroom, and those are little balconies, and there's monkeys that hang out all up in these trees. We'll take you on a tour. See if there's any. We shall go up to our room. It's thundering. And here is our awesome room.
Why, hello!
Hello there!
Welcome to our room.
Yes, we're in room 702.
And we chose to get the adjoining rooms, so we have A and B. First, let us explore A.
Let us explore.
Over here, we have our sitting area. Behind us,
That's a pull-out couch.
the kitchenette.
Let's go see what snacks we have for today.
Oh, yes. Every day, they give you different snacks. Oh, we have picaritas, barbecue tostitos, and butter cookies.
Oh.
In this little living area, we have a small bathroom, a shower.
Little shower.
They give you shampoo,
Oh,
conditioner, and shower
That's
gel.
like the best part. No little bottles.
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
Okay.
I love that. Cool light. Okay.
And behind this door is the first bedroom.
Let's
but
go.
we're not going to go
We're
in
not
there.
going to go in there.
The very large balcony with the amazing view.
Let's get the view. Ah. Okay. So this is the balcony.
Private hot tub. And over here is our private hot tub. Another private seating area. This particular suite also has a part of the patio that overlooks the main area of the hotel.
So that's reception, and then there's a bar in there and restaurant.
Our first pool. Several nice seating areas. All the cushions are taken out right now because we're expecting rain. And then to get into the first bedroom, this one's probably going to be locked.
So this is the first bedroom.
There's no lock on that door.
No, I know, I saw that.
Usually there's a lock on the door because the monkeys know how to open them. All the bedrooms are free local and long distance calling.
And then the ceilings are pretty cool.
Salamanders like to
Oh
hang
yeah,
out
we
up
find
in there.
salamanders. And the view is incredible because it's the water from there to there. It's pretty amazing. And now here is the closet, which, ooh, lots of stuff fits in there. And here is the second bathroom.
Alright, yours aren't all shaded.
Oh, yours are?
Yeah.
Oh.
They've been putting on a show.
Wait, I don't think we got perspective. Go by the thing.
Perspective.
Here. And there's robes. And
Fully in an emergency telephone.
in case of emergency, every bathroom needs one of those. Okay. So now we will leave here.
Now we enter into the second smaller bedroom. Erica is packing. But this bedroom has a smaller bathroom.
This is a small bathroom. Still pretty cool. Big shower.
Want me to get in that one?
Yeah, go ahead.
This bedroom has, two small closets. One is over here, and the other is over here.
Hello, Erica.
Hello! Welcome to our room. Shall we show you the balcony?
Yes.
We shall. After you.
This is the second balcony.
Second balcony. This is our bug spray station.
Yes. And this one has to get kept locked because the monkeys come in there at night.
And the raccoons know how to operate the key, so you also have to.
Or monkeys. We don't know yet.
Both
They said both.
Raccoons.
So you need to
Raccoons.
open it from within.
What is our snack of the day?
Cajaritas.
Cajaritas.
On our first night here, an unknown animal snuck into the minibar during the night and ripped everything apart.
This is the other view.
And in the morning, capuchin monkeys, whatever, hang out on this roof, in the tree over there, and sometimes climb over here. It's pretty cool.
And then here is the other entrance into the bedroom.
Mine was locked.
Okay.
Did you try any interest yet?
No.
No, don't worry about it.
Thank you. So that is the tour. Yay.